cool girl, I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Notice anything different? My eyes are a different color. I'm feeling these. You guys don't know how long I have wanted these contacts, like literally forever, and I finally got a hold of them. Thank you so much to Desio for giving me your amazing collection of lenses. So the lenses come in this box. I got sent the Attitude collection, which was the collection that I have always wanted, and these lenses in particular are called Delicious Honey, and they're literally my favorite. Sandra Deluxe wears these lenses like all the time, and I want her eyes like all the time. I didn't know that they were lenses until she started tagging Desio, and I've been obsessed. I decided to bring you guys this holiday glam look. It's very subtle and it's holiday, so you could wear this for Christmas time and New Year's time, even if you want Thanksgiving time. I hope that you guys enjoy this video as much as I did filming it for you guys. Any other information that you guys want to know or find out or have any questions to, most likely your answers or whatever you're trying to find is in the description box down below, as well as my social media, so don't forget to follow me on those, especially Instagram, since I will be doing a review of all of these lenses that I have, of the entire collection that they sent me. I'm so happy. I love these lenses already, and it's only my first time wearing them. Yeah, without further ado, let's just hop right into this tutorial. Ignore this. This showed up. Mother Nature is a colon, and I'm not ready for her, but it's fine. So I already have moisturizer on, and I just put some color correction, like green color basically, on some red spots of mine. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS foundation. So now for concealer, I'm just going to be using my Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. So I'm actually going to set but also bake the areas that I conceal, and I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder. While I bake, I'm going to just set the rest of my face using this. Okay, so now I'm going into bronzer. I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. The shade I'm using is Deep. To go over this bronzer just a little bit more and bring some kind of glow into it. I don't know why I've been liking more like glowiness to the bronzer part, but I do. So I'm going to be using the Mercier Candle Glow in the shade number 2. Looks like this. So I'm actually going to get into the eyes before we finish off the rest of the face. In my crease, to start off with the eyes, I'm going to be going into the Butter Bronzer that I just used. That way it kind of still warms up the eyes and brings in like the bronzer color and stuff. So I'm just going to be using it as my transition shade. I'm going to be dipping into a single shadow now. This one is from Deck of Scarlet. It is the eyeshadow called Kasey. I'm going to apply this with a brush all over the lid and bring it right into the crease. Nothing sort of above the crease, but blending it right into the crease into the transition. Now I'm going to be using my finger and dipping into it and applying it just to the lid to bring back more of like the foiled shadow in it. So I went in with another single shadow because the one that I was using was also a little bit more bluer than I wanted it to be. So I used the shade Stephanie, still from Deck of Scarlet. So I'm actually now going back into the face and I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Contour Palette. This is the powder. I'm going to be blending the white and the yellow shade, and I'm actually going to put this back into the highlighted areas and focusing a lot under my eyes just in case I got a lot of fallout under there. So the blush shade that I'm going to be using is the Mercier Blush Color Infusion in Rosé. It's a little bit more pink for me, but I love when blush shows through the whole face. So this is a holiday look, you guys. We're going all out. So for highlight, I'm going to be using Mercier's Face Illuminator in the shade Addiction. So I just added some mascara, and I actually added some mascara to my bottom lashes, as well as added some of that shimmer glitter on the inside. But I'm actually going to be using not Wispies from Ardell, but I'm going to be using some Lilly lashes from Sephora Collection. These are in the style Paris. So I'm going to size them to my eyes and then pop them on. So now that my face is set, I'm going to be using the lip liner from, I think this is from Rimmel London. This shade, I believe, is Tiramisu. I'm just going to line my lips with this, and then I'm going to fill in my lips with this Rimmel London matte lip in the shade, what shade is this? Mocha. Now to give this lip a little bit more sparkle, I'm going to be using the Mercier Lip Glass in the shade Sparkling. And I'm just going to dab this kind of in the middle and make sure it spreads out evenly, but I'm not going to do like all of it. I just really want to focus it in the middle. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I love you. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias also, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.